Instantly fix the frustrating Fortnite you were removed from the match error that kicks you out mid-game. This guide provides immediate solutions to prevent future disconnections. First, we tackle corrupted game files. Open your Epic Games launcher, navigate to Fortnite in your library, click the three dots and select Verify. This scans and repairs any damaged game data, ensuring a clean launch. If verifying doesn't resolve it, the issue often lies with network settings. For method 2, head to Windows Settings, then Network Internet and select Change Adapter Options. Right-click your active connection, go to Properties and uncheck IPv6. This can resolve compatibility issues with Fortnite's servers. Still getting removed. Your DNS cache might be stale. Method 3 involves opening command prompt as an administrator and typing ipconfig as flushness, then ipconfig release, and finally ipconfig renew. This clears old network data and refreshes your connection for better stability. Lastly, outdated graphics drivers can cause unexpected game exits. For method 4, open Device Manager, expand Display Adapters, right-click your graphics card and choose Update Driver. Keeping drivers current ensures your system is fully optimized for Fortnite, preventing the removed from match error. Get back to gaming!